I have been out the entire day, and so I came home and got comfy because my husband and I have been binging Yellowstone. So after I finish this, I'm going to go watch an episode of Yellowstone. I am just hooked. Once you start, you can't stop. So I'm waiting for that new season to come out soon. The reason I was out today was because I have been unable to find many products that I have used for a very long time, and they're just not on the shelves. So I decided to go all through the city and look for specific items. And when I found them, I would buy two, because I may not be able to find them again, but I may be part of the problem. Maybe everyone else is doing that too, buying two instead of one. So I went around the city, found almost everything I was looking for except one item, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. But it's just like an Easter egg hunt. I cannot believe what I've been through and how many stores I've been to find specific items. And to begin with, I'm going to show you this. These are the tan towels. I use these constantly because they're so easy to use. And you just toss them away after you're finished. And I have a video that I've done a while back, maybe a couple years ago, about tanning products. And since I made that video, this is one of the few products that I use for tanning. I have one other that I really love, and I will show that to you in a minute. But I was able to find my tan towels. So happy about that. Another item that I use constantly, Earth Therapeutics Collagen Under Eye Patches. These are collagen hydrogel under patch. And you know, Earth Therapeutics makes some good products, and this is the one that I use all the time. Because if I eat salty food, the next morning when I get up, my under eyes are so puffy, and so I can put these on and it's gone within an hour, and it's just amazing. It just really works. It's supposed to work for dark circles. I don't really have dark circles, but it does reduce the appearance of puffiness. So if you haven't tried these Earth Therapeutic Collagen Hydrogel Under Eye Patches, I recommend these. And these are tried and true with me. It's just like the tan towels. They're tried and true. I use them all the time. One other item I use every day. When I'm applying my makeup, I use this under eye concealer. It's Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. It has this huge, almost like a felt tip pen, and I use the Fair. And I probably am going to go up to the next color pretty soon because I'm getting a little more tan because I've been outside more than usual, and I am going to try to match my color a little better. I'm looking at a mirror over here because it does look a tiny bit light for under eye, but it's not bad. It's not too far off. So this is color 110, which is Fair, and it's the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Under Eye Concealer. And ever since I discovered it, I have not used any other concealer. It's so easy to use. You just wind it up. Here, I'll open it and show you. You wind it up, and it pushes the product to the top of this felt. And they probably have this sealed to the point that I can't get it. Okay, I got the top. I'm sorry, I turned the camera off because I was trying to unseal this. It has protective seal on top of it. But it has the tiny plastic top. You remove that and then you twist it. You can hear it clicking. And it pushes the concealer up to the top. And look how wide that applicator is. I think it's brilliantly packaged and it's so effective. And it's not a high-end product at all. You can probably get it at the grocery. I think I got this one. Finally found it at pharmacy. I believe it was Walgreens. I went in Walgreens and CVS and Ulta and Sephora and just made the entire rounds trying to find everything. And I came home and was so elated. But the one thing and that's the packaging again, right there. So I'll put that here. But the one item I went to find is Baby Foot. It is a mask that you put on your feet, and your skin, it sounds disgusting, but your skin will peel off. And I've heard great things about it, that your feet are just so smooth. Couldn't find it. I went to Ulta. They have it, but they did not have it in stock. And so I'm just going to order online and find that next. The reason I wanted to use the Baby Foot mask is because I want to try this product, which I was able to find at Ulta. I have my little Ulta bag here full of goodies. Yeah, I have a few more things to show you. You'll remember I use Saint-Tropez tanning as well. Well, Saint-Tropez has the Luxe Tan drops, and I got this because I don't know if it's just me or a lot of us have this problem. My feet won't tan. They will tan a bit, but not as tan as my legs. I have no idea why. I had that problem as long as I can remember, ever since I've even considered tanning at all. But I got the drops because my idea is that I'm going to put this tanning product in lotion, and it indicates on the packaging to mix a few drops with your moisturizer. Well, I moisturize my feet and legs every day, so if I use some moisturizer, a lot of times I'll use this Nivea Original Daily Moisture 48 Hours. I use this most of the time. So if I take this and add this and moisturize my feet, eventually my feet are going to be as tan as my legs. It makes sense to me, but we'll see what happens. According to the packaging, you can use this directly on your skin, or you can add 2 to 6 drops in your moisturizer. So I am going to do the 2 to 6 drops in moisturizer and work on getting my feet tan because I wear sandals a lot. And so I'm hoping this is the answer to my problem. So it's Saint-Tropez Luxe Tan drops, and this is the way it looks in the bottle. Where's my package? There is the box. So if you have the same problem, or you just want to try it on other parts of your body, say your face or your chest or your entire body, I guess you could do it. I would think it might be a little time consuming. However, if you moisturize every day anyway, why not use this? And I'm going to try it, and I will get back to you on that. I may do another video somewhere down the line about the tanning products I use now, because some of the tanning products I used in the past I've dropped, and now I'm using most of the time the Saint-Tropez products and the tan towels. I love those 2 products. So with spring and summer coming up, these are 2 products you might want to look into. I also love the Saint-Tropez mousse, and it doesn't streak very much at all. I mean, if you were to be careless and put it on incorrectly, it might, but some products do, and I have not had that problem with Saint-Tropez products. So give that a try if you're looking for a new spring tanning product. Just a try. I am going to put, let's say, 2 pumps of moisturizer. And according to the instructions, you use 3 to 6 drops of the tanning drops. Let's see. We are going to try this because I have not tried it. And if it works like the other Saint-Tropez products, it takes, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 hours to see the results. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 drops. And these are thick. It's a thick oil. Yes, it's oily, kind of thick. And I'm going to mix that together. And that's enough. I don't want to get too crazy with this and put the 6 drops because I want to make sure it works slightly before I go to the fullest combination of 6 drops to 2 pumps, because what if I overdo it? I'm fairly fair, so if you are darker, then you might want to go with 3 to 6 drops, but be cautious because you don't want to experiment too much if you're going somewhere special. Now, if you're just doing it as an experiment, then give it a try. So I'm going to put this on my feet, and I'm not showing you my feet because, believe it or not, there are foot fetish people that I have discovered love to see any part of your foot. And so, today I don't feel like dealing with that, and I don't feel like getting the direct mail from them, so I am not going to show my feet. But you know what? I'm going to report back to you later in another video and let you know how this works. And I'm putting it between each toe too, because you don't want part of your foot white and part dark. So I'm going to kind of bring it up to the ankle, past the ankle, to kind of blend that in. And then I'm going to wash my hands because I don't want my palms to be tanned more than the top part of my hand. Got that done. So I'll report back on that at a later date and let you know. And let's see, I wanted to look at this for a minute here. See how thick that is? That's great. Love it. And I love the packaging. That is beautiful. You could set that out on your counter and it looks lovely. So we have my feet in the process of tanning. I can't wait to see how that goes because I have not used that product. I had never even seen that product on the shelf, so I was happy to see it. Now, digging into my bag here, I have 3 other items that I use constantly. So a lot of these products are tried and true, and then some are new. And so I have in my bag some lashes. Now, I have used Ardell lashes for, I can't imagine how many years I have used Ardell. They're just easy to find, they're easy to apply. I have tried the Lily lashes, and I love the Lily lashes, and I've tried others as well. However, some of them seem to be too thick for daytime. Now, I don't mind using them in the evening. These are wispies, Ardell wispies that I have on right now. I can get away with it, but they're a little bit thick for daytime. So I was out chasing down lashes I can wear during the day or maybe a late afternoon into the evening that are not so thick. Now, if you're not a lash wearer, you may have trouble understanding what I'm going to say. But if you are a lash wearer, you'll know fully what I'm going to say. Once you start wearing your lashes, when you don't wear them, you feel half dressed. And it doesn't get any better. I know friends who wear double lashes, and I just don't want to get into that lash cycle so deep that I can't go out without them. I do force myself to go out with lunch with friends and not wear lashes, but it's really difficult to do if you've had them on for days and days. You put them on every morning, you don't think about it. Or if you are used to wearing really thick lashes and then you try to step down to the thinner lashes. Now, when I say thinner lashes, I mean lashes with less hair, less number of lashes on the band. What I'm trying are the naked lashes. These blend seamlessly with an Invisiband because part of the lash look is that it has a thicker band that almost looks like liner, and this gives you a look that is a little less made up. And I'm going to try these. It reads subtle volume and length, lightweight. So that might be the answer to my problem. So I'm going to try these and we're going to see, and I'll give you a close-up of this packaging. You might be able to see it enough like this. And I'm going to give this a try and I'll get back with you later on it. But today was just a shopping day. It's not a try-on day. I'll do that another time. And then a product that I have used for 100 years is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer. It's scent-free, and I keep these in my car. I keep this size in my handbag. I have probably put some Clinique employee's child through college with the number of bottles of this product that I have bought over the years. It's non-stop. I buy them constantly, and I probably need to just buy them in bulk like I did years ago with that lipstick. I don't know if you remember that. I had a lipstick that I love, and it was being discontinued, and I still have 26 tubes of that lipstick. So I may have to start doing that with the Clinique moisturizer, especially if I hear they're going to discontinue it. Surely they're not going to discontinue this. This is probably one of their rent-paying products because it is really great, non-scented, and it hydrates beautifully. And then I found my Aveeno hand masks. These are the oat and shea butter. Love them. You will too. I buy them constantly. They are dermatologist recommended, and they are fabulous. So that is what I have been doing all day. I've been chasing down products that I keep putting on the list, can't find, so I'm hunting them down. I'm still looking for that baby foot mask, but I know Ulta has it. They just didn't have it on the shelf, so I'm going to order that, and then I think I'll be restocked for a while. And I hope you enjoyed all of these products. I'll let you know if I enjoyed the Saint Tropez and the Naked Lashes. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.